Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this microwave. I kind of clean it up in the microwave. You see many dirt in here. I think can be 2 months I'm not clean that up because I have baby to take care. Too much busy, cannot clean that up. And last night everything is blocked right here. And I cannot clean this one with the natural first. Natural, I can show you with the little water in the cup, and then I can put vinegar. They have vinegar in the America, and this vinegar I using is Thai vinegar, and then they have it's the same thing, and I can put it vinegar in the cup, and after this I can put in the microwave, heat that up, heat it one, so to make the water everywhere, every room in the microwave. Water can go in the room in the microwave and then can clean out. I look at my friend video, so I want to try is can clean that up easy or not. And if cannot clean easy, I have the second step plan to clean that up. Okay, so it's not water yet. You have to heat up again. And today I'm clean with the gas also. Very dirt on here, dirt all here, dirt all here. So I'm clean that up with the. I'll show you later. And this one is very brown. It's dark 6 years, not clean yet. So think about 6 years. Too much dark brown stars all here in the middle, so in the middle I clean this up. Check that now. No, needs more. Okay, and now you can see the water around here in this room, so start to clean. It can clean easier now. Okay guys, it's working. You see, it's working. Have the water in this room, in the microwave room is full already, so you can see this. There's the water here. There's the water. You can clean this with, and I look at my friend's channel. Her channel is KKD in UK. She teaches about this, how to clean your microwave. So I'll wait for too much dirt, and then I want to clean. I want to know it's real or not. You see guys, it's clean. Yeah, it's working. Water with vinegar and heat that up 3 minutes, and if you want more water around in this room you can heat 5 minutes. So it's working. See how to be the housekeeper. Now it's clean. I need to clean inside. So okay guys, I'm going to speak Thai ทุกคนคะ อันนี้คือทำความสะอาดเตาอบนะที่รถพูดภาษาอังกฤษนั้นก็จะพูดแบบคล้ายๆกันนะคะกับภาษาไทยใช้น้ำเปล่าใส่เข้าไปในถ้วยหรือใส่เข้าไปในกล่องก็ได้ที่มันสามารถเข้าไปในไมโครเวฟได้แล้วก็มีน้ำส้มสายชูแค่นี้ค่ะแล้วก็เอาไปใส่ไมโครเวฟ3 นาทีถ้าอยากให้มันเป็นเหงื่อมากกว่านี้นะคะก็ใช้ประมาณ5 นาทีมันจะเป็นไอเต็มเลยค่ะเต็มห้องไมโครเวฟเลยค่ะแล้วก็สามารถคลีนออกได้ง่ายและสะดวกมากแล้วก็ไม่มีกลิ่นคาวด้วยนะคะทุกคนที่ไปดูมาคือไปดูช่องของน้องกิกกี้นะคะ KD in UK นะคะของช่องน้องกิกกี้นะที่เขาทำแชร์ไว้ได้ผลจริงๆนะคะคือดูสิมันได้ผลจริงๆมันสะอาดคือเราไม่ต้องถูอย่างเงี้ยแต่ก่อนถูอย่างเงี้ย before I clean up like this oh come on come out so then I come out so this one is clean you just shoot only with the water vinegar heat in the microwave 3 minutes to 5 minutes so you wait for the water around in this room and then you can use this one to clean the house from the dust come out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my video. I hope this one can help you guys to clean out the microwave. Thank you so much to thumb up. Thank you for subscribe. ขอบคุณทุกคนนะคะที่มาดูคลิปวิดีโอนะคะหวังว่าคลิปนี้จะเป็นประโยชน์ให้กับทุกคนนะคะ